Hello everyone, I welcome to all in my channel. Today we are going to solve some important question based on element of the matrix, order of the matrix and equality of the matrix. These questions are exercise 3.1 from NCERT book. So let's we start the video. Here exercise 3.1 NCERT books class 12th. Question number 1 is in the matrix A equal to 2, 5, 9, minus 7, 35, minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, here root 2, 1, minus 5, 17, write first the order of the matrix, second the number of elements in the matrix, and third write A13, A21, A33, A24, A23. Here matrix is given A equal to 2, 5, 9 minus 2, 5, 19 minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 2, 1 minus 5, 17. Here first answer is, here we have to find the order of the matrix. In the given matrix there are 3 rows, 1, here second row, here third row. There are 3 rows and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns. So the order of the matrix A is 3 by 4. Order of the matrix is 3 by 4. In the matrix A there are 3 rows and 4 columns. Therefore the order of the matrix is 3 by 4. Second, we have to write the number of elements in the matrix. The number of elements in the matrix A. Since order of the matrix is 3 by 4, therefore total number of elements in the matrix equal to 3 into 4 equal to 12. Here third is we have to write element A13 equal to here elements of the first row and third column. Here first row and third column is 19 equal to 19, and second element is A21 element of the second row and the first column. Second row, first column. Here this is second row and first column, 35. Now we write A33 element of the third row and third column. Third row and third column. This is third row and here third column is 5, minus 5. Now element of A24 element of second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column is 12. A23 element of the second row and third column. Second row and third column, 5 by 2. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is, what are the possible order of a matrix having 24 elements? And hence write the order of a matrix having 13 elements. So first we have to write the order of the possible order of a matrix having 24 elements. The total number elements in the matrix equal to 24. Order means we have to find the two factor of 24 such that their product equal to 24. Their first factor is 1 and second factor is 24 such that their product equal to 24. So first order is, possible order is 1 by 24. Second possible order, we have to find other two factors such that their product is 24. The second possible order is 2, since 2 divides 24, 2 into 12. So 2 into 12 equal to 24. So the second possible order is 2 by 12. Third possible order, since 3 divides 24, so third possible order is 3 by 8. Fourth possible order, since 4 divides 24, therefore fourth possible order is 4 into 6. Fifth possible order, since 5 not divides, so the matrix cannot have the 5 row. Here fifth possible order is, since 6 divides 24, 6 by 4. Sixth possible order is, since 8 divides 24, 8 by 3. Seventh possible order is, since 9 not divides 24, 10 not divides 24, 11 not divides 24, here 12 divides 24. The seventh possible order is 12 into 2. And last, eighth possible order is 24 by 1. So these are the possible orders of a matrix having 24 elements. Now we have to write the possible order of a matrix having 13 elements. The total number of elements equal to 13, and we know 13 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 1 and 13 itself. So here you write, since 13 is a prime number, therefore possible order of a matrix having 13 element is equal to 1 by 13 or 13 by 1. There are two possible order. Matrix have either 1 row, 13 columns, or 13 row, 1 columns. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, what are the possible order of a matrix having 18 elements? And hence write the order of a matrix having 5 elements. It is similar question as question number 2. The solution is, since here first we have to write the possible order of a matrix having 18 elements. The total number of elements in the matrix equal to 18. So the first possible order is, we have to find the factor of 18, two factor, such that their product equal to 18. Their first factor is 1 into 18. 1 into 18 equal to 18. So the first possible order is 1 by 18. Second possible order, since 2 also divide the 18, the second possible order is 2 by 9. Third possible order is 3 divides 18, 3 by 6. 4 not divides 18, 5 not divides 18, here 6 divides 18. So the fourth possible order is 6 into 3. Fifth possible order is 9 into 2. 9 rows and 2 columns. The fifth possible order is 9 by 2. Sixth possible order. Sixth possible order is 18 by 1. These are the possible orders of a matrix having 18 elements. Now we have to write the order of a matrix having 5 elements. The second total number equal to 5, and here 5 is a prime number. Since 5 is a prime number, therefore possible order of a matrix having 5 elements is 1 by 5, means matrix having 1 row and 5 columns, or 5 by 1. 5 by 1 means having 5 rows and 1 columns. These are the possible orders of a matrix having 5 elements. Means any matrix in which the total number are prime number, there are only 2 possible orders. Now we solve next question, question number 4. The question number 4 is, we have to construct a matrix in which A equal to Aij, where Aij equal to I plus j upon 2, and second, here first Ij equal to I upon j, and third Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square upon 2. Here we have to write a matrix of order 2 by 2. Here given, first given Aij. The order is 2 by 2. So the matrix A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. Here we have to find first A11. A11 means I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. Here Aij equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2. Since I equal to 1 and j equal to 1, we put here I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 in both sides. Here I equal to 1, j equal to 1. We put here I equal to 1, j equal to 1. So A11 equal to 1 plus 1 upon 2. This equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 upon 2 equal to 1. We have to find here A12. I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. Here we put I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 in both sides. So A12 equal to 1 plus 2 upon 2. This is equal to 3 upon 2. Here A21. Now I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. We put I equal to 2 and j equal to 1 in both sides. So A21 equal to 2 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 by 2. Now we find A22. In this we put I equal to 2 and j equal to 2 in both sides. So 2 plus 2 upon 2 equal to 4 upon 2 equal to 2. Therefore matrix is A11, A11 1, A12 3 by 2, A21 3 by 2, A22 2 and order 2 by 2. Similarly we solve second matrix in which Aij equal to I upon j. Aij equal to I upon j. So first we find A11 means I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. We put here I equal to 1, j equal to 1 in both sides. A11 equal to 1 upon 1 equal to 1. A12. A12 means we put I equal to 1 and j equal to 1 in both sides. Here 1, I equal to 1 and j equal to 2 in both sides. The 1 upon 2. Here A21 we put I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. I equal to 2 and j equal to 1. 2 upon 1 equal to 2. A22 I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. The 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Hence matrix is A11, A11 1, A12 1 upon 2, A21 2, A22 1 of order 2 by 2. Third, in third it is given that Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square upon 2. Here we find A11 equal to 1 plus 2 into 1 whole square upon 2. 1 plus 2 into 1, here 3 square upon 2 equal to 9 by 2. Here A12 means I equal to 1, 1 plus 2 into j 2 whole square upon 2. Here 2 to the 4 plus 1, 5. Here 5 square upon 2 equal to 25 upon 2. Here A21 I equal to 2, 2 plus 2 into j equal to 1, 1 whole square upon 2 equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 square upon 2 equal to 16 upon 2 equal to 8. 8 to 2 is 2 plus 2 into 2 whole square upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 6 ka square upon 2 equal to 36 upon 2 equal to 18. Hence, matrix is A11 9 by 2, A12 25 by 2, A21 8, A22 18. Hence A equal to 9 by 2, 25 by 2, 8 upon 8 and 18. Now we solve next question, question number 5. Question number 5